If you're a bird enthusiast, then you need to experience the fantastical world of parrot cultures. Ready to get your feathers ruffled? Picture this, an island where parrots have tribes, traditions, and their own parrot politics. Meet the crimson chatterers, known for their daily sunrise ceremonies and hilarious impression contests. Over in the Emerald Squawkers territory, things get fancy with elaborate feather fashion shows and gourmet fruit feasts. And let's not forget the Azure Whistlers, whose musical festivals are the Woodstock of the parrot world, minus the mud. Each tribe has its quirks, from the chatterers' mimicry battles to the squawkers' fruit sculpting competitions. These parrots have more culture than your local art museum. So next time you see a parrot, remember, they might just be a high society socialite in disguise. Pretty cool, right? Why don't parrots use smartphones? Because they prefer Twitter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more avian adventures.